Hey everybody, Brad Michael here from Lucent Lampworks. And today in our video series I'm going to help you answer actually a question I get asked a lot, which is how high do I hang my pendant off of my island? And so I have an easy technique to help you with this. And I'd like to refer back actually to another video I did in cutting templates. And I'm going to use a simple template design that I had shown in another video and help you discern how high off of the island to hang your pendant. So I like to consider this as personal preference, and there's lots of websites that might tell you have to have it a certain distance off your island, but I really believe that it's a personal preference. If you're somebody that's really tall or somebody that's a little shorter, you might choose a different height that feels right for your space. So I want you to really go with your gut, and what feels right for your space is what I think you should hang it at. So the best way to do that is to cut a template in the size shade that you would like to purchase, and then you can tie it to a string if you'd like, and then holding it up or taping it even to the ceiling from a string, you can kind of start to gauge how high or how low you'd like the fixture to hang from the ceiling.